Hi, if you'd like to learn how to make goat stew, please keep watching. We're gonna need sour orange, cooking wine. You're gonna need tomato paste, bouillon, garlic, olive, sazon, complete seasoning, oregano, pepper, onion powder, and adobo. Onion, cilantro, a Cuban pepper, and this little pepper right here in the Dominican Republic we call it Aji Gustoso. In the package it also said cachucha pepper, which is a sweet pepper. It's not spicy at all, and it looks a little bit like a habanero pepper. So just make sure when you buy it you look at the package and you're getting the right thing. And then here I have some sour orange with lime and vinegar to wash the meat. And then of course you're also going to need your goat meat. So now to wash the goat meat, I'm just going to run some cold water in it, and I'm going to add my sour orange, lime, and vinegar. And then I'm just gonna rinse it a few times under cold water. And now I'm gonna repeat this step about 2 or 3 more times. So now to the goat, we're gonna add our seasoning, dry seasoning. We're also gonna add the garlic and the olives. And I'm also gonna add the sour orange to it. And I'm going to add my cilantro and the peppers to it. And we're just gonna mix this up. I have my pot on high. I coated the bottom with olive oil. So I'm just gonna add the meat very carefully. And now I'm gonna add the wine to it. If you have rum, you can also use rum. Or if you want to do half rum, you can do half rum and half wine. So now I'm going to put the heat on low, and I'm going to cover it and check on it in about 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and it's looking good. It's still not dry. And I'm just going to mix it up and make sure that the bouillon that I put in there is dissolved. We're still not gonna add the tomato paste. That I'm gonna add a little, about midway of cooking this. All right, so I have this on very low, like on very low heat. So I'm gonna let this cook for a while. I'm gonna come back in about 15 minutes again, and I'm just gonna check on it, make sure everything's looking good and it's not dried. And if it does get dry, we're gonna add the water. And that's it. I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes already. And it's still looking good. Remember, we're cooking this really slow, since I am not using a pressure pot. So now I'm gonna leave this for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna come check on it after 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes. And we're just gonna continue cooking this for another 30 minutes on low heat. Alright, 30 minutes. And you see most of the fat is now starting to rise to the top and it's starting to bubble. So we're just gonna keep cooking this on low heat, and we're gonna check it about every 30 minutes or so. So it's been another 30 minutes, and now I'm going to add the tomato paste.
Mix that in there.
I still have this on low, and I'm gonna cook this I'm gonna come check on it in about 15 minutes. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start taking this grease out. I'm gonna start taking as much as I can out. This gets really greasy, so you don't wanna eat all that grease. And I'm gonna cover this and cook this for 20 minutes on low heat. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes. And now I'm gonna just put the heat up just a little bit. And once you hear it start boiling, you're gonna check on it. Alright, so it's boiling now. And once the liquid starts drying out, we're gonna add a little bit of water. A little. And you're just gonna check that the meat is tender. If it's not tender, yeah, it still needs time to cook. So just keep an eye on this. I'm gonna come and check it in about 2 to 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna add water, and you see how it's not as thick anymore. Now I'm gonna cover it for another 10 minutes, and I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit. So it's been about 5 minutes, and we're just gonna continue to do this as many times as we need to. If the sauce starts to thicken, just add some more water. And we're gonna cook this till the meat is nice and tender. And I'm just gonna keep repeating these steps till the meat is tender. Alright, let's let this cook 10 more minutes, and that's it. We are done. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.